scholarship.
Eh, hello, ayoko. Seryoso ba?
First player lang ang maglalaro. So kailangan niya itong may tawag dito nakalimutan ko. Kailangan mo paandalin makarating hanggang doon.
Sugapa. Ano yan? Sugapa. Alam mo, girls. Paano ko sa utak ko? Ako nung bida kong parang kainin yung ano ko. Parang madali ako sa inyo. Nag-ano ka? Ano ba naman? Thoughtful. Ako lang, gusto mo lang. Hello, Panda. Dala ni Ellie. Ang katalitin Tawa ako kahit din. Sabi niya, pwede ba daw mag-elevator dito? Sabi ko, girl, sabi mo pangalan ko magbubukas yan. Kaso tayo naman yung elevator na... Kasi... Kasi nasabi ako sa kanya. Magkano muna tayo? Yung tawa lang mo sagot. Physical condition yung ibang sample lang, di ko tinanggal dito. Oh my God! Oh my God! Sige, magtalo ka ba? That is need awareness. Triggered by what? By needs. Ay, alam mo, linig. Ay, tama naman. Tama. Unconscious mind.
You have to play jackstone.
Good luck sa amin. Interview na kami. So what are your strengths? My strength is my family.
As a graduate of the Western, what's your greatest achievement?
I think the greatest achievement is becoming the dean's lister for a couple of semesters. That's the achievement I take great pride in because it's a testament of my ability to thrive in a competitive academic environment. I think that being a dean's lister doesn't only require your individual efforts. It is also about collaboration with peers, so I immerse myself in leading different projects. Apart from excelling academically, I also participated in extracurricular activities as being a project head, an event host, and I think that shows my multitasking abilities. And I believe that these achievements hold my skills in terms of time management, leadership, and collaboration with peers, qualities that I think are transferable and invaluable in the professional setting.
Memorize mo. Pero memorize yun. Ano yan? Natamali pa ako ng tanong. Ask other question. This is wrong mo ba? Okay na. Ayaw ko, I give up. God,
Hi everyone, so I am already getting ready for the initial interview. So this is my setup and I have a cam there. A few minutes left, I'm gonna be joining at 1:45. The thing is, kaka-practice kanina. Nangangati na ngayon yung lalamunan ko.
Okay, so Liz, I want to know about you. Tell me something about yourself. Okay, so good afternoon, Pastor Win. My name is Teresa Sales. You can call me Liz for short. I am currently a 4th-year marketing management student at De La Salle University, Dasma. So the reason why I chose marketing is because I wanted to turn my passion for designing into a meaningful purpose ever since I was a kid, kasi I've always been into art and design, but I was always left with the question, what am I designing for? I'm not good at painting nor freehand drawing, so I had to find where are my strengths. So when I took up ABM during senior high school, that's when I got introduced in advertising and the passion for editing was ignited. So I found out that I excel most in designing logos, packaging, social media posters, video advertisements, and other digital assets. So until then, my ultimate goal as a designer is to help brands establish a message that resonates with the target audience. So aside from my love for designing, I am also an aspiring entrepreneur. In fact, the brands you saw on my portfolio, BNC and Ale, are businesses that I tried to put up during pandemic, because to be honest, I stopped for one academic year during pandemic. Yes, well, and then to sort of kill the guilt that I will be left behind, I made sure that I'll be using that year, that time, to be as productive as I can. So I did freelancing, I did putting up my own business, I even joined an internship, a graphics design video editing internship, just so I can get an overview of the kind of work that I'd like to immerse myself with in the future. And then the rest of my time, I would practice a lot in terms of video editing, designing, and basically that's what I did during that time. And I think that year was my peak of growth as a designer, because because it helped me to really collaborate and communicate with different clients. I was able to push myself to the limits na I thought I wouldn't be able to survive that year, or I wouldn't be able to do this creative stuff, but I was able to overcome naman ko.
When it comes to creative process, napaka-prone niya when it comes to criticisms, no? So, how would you handle criticism? Or for example, kiniticize ka sa work mo, how would you handle that?
I would handle that with maturity, I believe. I am always open for constructive criticisms. I guess that I always have room for improvement. I am not perfect. I am a self-taught graphic designer. I learned through YouTube tutorials. I learned through a lot of practice. And I guess that's enough reason for me to listen to those who have gotten a lot of experiences than me. No, I also learn from other people. I also learn from other artists. And so who am I to feel bad if my artwork is not good? Of course, I would use that as an opportunity motivation to even do better the next time.
I think that's all for this interview. Thank you for your time.
Thank you
And for
as
your
well.
good answers. No? So, have a good day.
You too,
Bye.
thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Basta yung mga sakit na bibigyan mo na. Kami na employee, so I guess baka mas madami na. Diyan mo ka rin ba?
Ganda ng color.
Anong pangalan ng brand? Rose Viewer.
Morning! So, here's our office. Ayan. Kami pa lang ni Adi, yung pinakamaagang dumadating. Here are the products that we shoot. Ayan. We also have a view there. We also have a backdrop there for photo shoots.